Single crochet a round shape dot on whatever size you like. Start from 6 single crochet SC in magic ring. Change to red color yarn. Five chains. Change to white color yarn. 5 chains. Slip stitch red yarn in next stitch. Five chains. Slip stitch white yarn in next stitch. Five chains. Slip stitch red yarn in next stitch. Continue alternate between red and white color till the end. A beautiful Christmas dot crochet cup coaster is ready to give as a gift or for own use. Merry Christmas! Please like and share and subscribe to my videos.